If you want to hit $10,000 a month in 2026, you need to stop doing what everyone else is doing. Because here's the reality, most people are going to spend this entire year chasing the wrong business models. They're gonna try dropshipping, watch their profit margins get eaten by ads. They're gonna grind on affiliate marketing, making pennies while building someone else's brand. They're gonna jump into crypto or NFTs or whatever the new shiny object is, and they're gonna end up exactly where they started, broke and frustrated. But if you understand what I'm about to show you, 10K per month isn't just possible, it's honestly pretty achievable. Before I break down the smartest route to 10K a month in 2026, let me tell you why you should listen to me instead of the 1,000 other people making videos about making money online. The truth is, a few years ago, I was exactly where you probably are right now. I was watching videos, taking notes, trying so many different business models, and making no money. I wasted time on models that looked good on paper, like dropshipping, but didn't actually work when you implemented them. But once I figured out the business model I'm about to share with you, everything changed. Like genuinely, it was insane. And that's what allowed me to build a business in my early 20s that consistently made me thousands of dollars in profit per day. Not revenue, profit. And I did it without employees, without massive startup capital. I mean, I come from a broke family after all, and without any of the complexity that traditional businesses require. So this isn't some theory I learned from reading Rich Dad Poor Dad. This is what actually works when you know what you're doing. Now let me explain why selling high-ticket info products, consulting, or services is so much better, smarter, and honestly, more fun than any other business model out there. First, let's talk about the economics. When you sell high-ticket, you're charging $1,000 to $10,000 or more per client. Compare that to dropshipping, where you're making maybe $5 to $20 profit per sale after ads, shipping, and product costs. To make $10,000 a month dropshipping, you need anywhere from 500 to 2,000 sales. That's insane volume. You're dealing with customer service nightmares, refunds, shipping delays, suppliers going out of stock. It's a full-time headache for margins that barely keep you afloat. Or let's look at affiliate marketing. You're making a small commission on other people's products, maybe 5 to 10% if you're lucky, maybe slightly more. But basically, to make 10K a month, you need to drive $100,000 to $200,000 in sales for someone else's business. You're building their brand, sending them customers, and taking home scraps. And the second they change their commission structure or shut down the program, your income disappears overnight. You own nothing. You built nothing. You're just a middleman getting paid pennies. With high-ticket info products or services, you need 5 clients at $2,000 to hit 10K. 5 clients, not 500, not 5,000, just 5 committed clients who want actual results and are willing to invest money and time and effort to get them. The math is so much cleaner. The business is so much more manageable. And your profit margins are insane because you're selling knowledge and transformations, not physical products with overhead costs. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now let's talk about fulfillment and your level of freedom because it matters. Dropshipping and e-commerce chain you to a laptop. You're constantly dealing with suppliers, inventory issues, customer complaints about shipping times or whatever else they complain about. You can't really disconnect because something's always breaking. Affiliate marketing requires you to constantly create new content, try and go viral as much as you can, which you can't guarantee it, and hoping people click your links. You're at the mercy of algorithms and affiliate program rules. But with high-ticket consulting or info products, you control everything. You decide when you work with clients. You design the delivery model. Is it done for your services? Coaching, group coaching, one-to-one coaching, or a course? You set the terms. If you're doing coaching, you schedule calls when it works for you. If you're doing a course, you create it once and it works for you forever. If you're doing services, you can deliver them yourself or hire freelancers to handle execution while you manage strategy. You have actual freedom instead of just trading one job for another. Third, and this is the part nobody talks about, high ticket is way more fulfilling. When you're helping someone solve a real problem and they're paying you serious money for it, at least a few $1,000s, they're committed. They show up, they do the work, they get results. And when they get results, You get incredible testimonials, even referrals. You're building a real business based on genuine value creation, not just pushing random products for commissions or hoping your dropshipping store doesn't get destroyed by a Facebook ads policy change. Compare that to selling a $20 product where people buy it, never use it, and forget about it. Or affiliate marketing, where you have no relationship with the customer and no idea if they even got value. High ticket lets you actually see the impact of your work, and that makes the business sustainable long term because you're not just chasing money, you're creating a real transformation. Now, here's why other YouTubers don't push this model, even though it's objectively better. High ticket requires skills, at least learning skills. You need to be able to sell on sales calls. You need to deliver real value. You need to be willing to position yourself as someone worth paying thousands of dollars. That's uncomfortable for most people. It's much easier to promote dropshipping or affiliate marketing because you can hide behind automations and systems, or so you think. You don't have to get on calls. You don't have to face rejection head on. You don't have to develop a real expertise. It's like click a button, make money. Oh wow, if only that were true. But here's the truth. Anything worth having requires discomfort. And the discomfort of learning to sell high ticket and deliver real value is temporary. Once you get good at it, it doesn't have to take forever. You've built a skill that prints money for the rest of your life, and it gets more valuable with time. You can rebuild from zero at any time because now you know how to create and sell high value offers. That is real security and freedom. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. So let's break down the smartest route to $10,000 a month in 2026 using high-ticket services, info products, and consulting offers. Step 1. Pick your niche and offer. You need to solve a specific painful problem for a specific type of person. Don't be vague. Don't try to help everyone. The riches are in the niches. Pick something in health, wealth, or relationships. These are evergreen markets where people have been spending big money forever and will continue to do so. Then get specific. You could say, I help coaches sign 5 clients in a month. I help executives lose weight without living in the gym. I help entrepreneurs fix their mindset and scale or get rid of a drinking addiction. The key is you want to help specific people fix specific painful problems and get specific outcomes they want. Step 2. Validate your offer fast. You don't want to spend months building a perfect course or program on paper. Just reach out to people who have the problem you solve and offer to help them. Then you charge them a couple $1,000. Even if it's not your final price, charge something. Even if it's only $500, this proves people will pay for your solution. Get your first few clients, deliver incredible results, get testimonials. Now you have proof your offer works. Most people skip this step and wonder why nobody buys their product. Validate first, build second. Step 3. Master the skill of selling. High ticket requires sales conversations. You need to get comfortable booking calls and talking to people, diagnosing their problems, presenting your solution if it's a fit, and handling objections if there's any, and closing. This is the one skill that changes everything. Once you can consistently close deals on calls, money will never be a problem for you, like genuinely. You can generate income whenever you want just by booking more calls. Practice this until you're confident. You can role play with friends or even with AI directly. ChatGPT will do the trick. Record yourself, get feedback. This skill is worth millions over the course of your lifetime, genuinely. Step 4. Build your client acquisition system. Start with outbound marketing, meaning you send direct messages, even cold emails. Start reaching out to people who fit your ideal client profile. This gets you clients the quickest immediately while you build everything else. Then layer in content. You want to post valuable insights daily on whatever platform your clients hang out on. This builds your brand and brings you inbound leads over time, people who come to you directly. Then once you're profitable, add paid ads to scale predictably. But don't run ads until you've proven your offer converts organically. Step 5. Deliver exceptional results and systemize. You want to focus obsessively on getting your clients incredible results, because this creates awesome testimonials, referrals, and word of mouth. As you deliver, document what works, turn it into a system, create templates, build processes. This makes delivery easier over time and lets you potentially bring in help if you want to scale beyond just doing everything yourself. Here's the thing most people don't understand about hitting 10K a month. It's not about working 100 hours a week. It's not about having some revolutionary idea. It's about picking a proven model, developing the right skills, and executing consistently until it works. High-ticket info products and services are that proven model. The skills are sales, marketing, and delivery. The execution is reaching out to leads, booking calls, closing deals, getting results. In 2026, while everyone else is chasing dropshipping stores that barely break even or affiliate commissions that pay you pennies, you could be serving 5 to 10 high-value clients a month and making serious money, tens of thousands of dollars per month. You could be building a real business based on your expertise or interests or passion. You could be creating genuine freedom instead of just another hamster wheel you're stuck in, but only if you choose the smart route instead of what seems to be the easy one. So here's what you do. This week, pick your niche. Decide what problem you're solving and for who. Create a simple offer. Then reach out to 10 people who've got that problem. Start conversations with them. See if you can help them. Book calls. Practice your pitch even if you get rejected at first. And you will close your first client, even if you're terrified, even if you're not great. And then focus on delivering awesome results. Get a testimonial. Use that to sign even more customers easier. Keep going until you hit 10K a month. It's not complicated. It's just uncomfortable at first because it's new. But that discomfort is exactly why most people will never do it. But you're not most people, are you? You're someone who's ready to build a real money printing business. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.